Do you want to improve your spins? Let's practice stability. We will practice stability while keeping our balance on our toes for 10, 30, and 60 seconds. Be sure to master this stability drill first. Link in the description. Are you ready? Let's practice. Let's start with the right on the toes, lifting the left for 10 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9. Imagine a line from your toes to your head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest for 5 seconds. And let's do it again. 10 seconds on the toes. Go! 10, 9, 8. Remember, you can use a chair or a wall to help you to balance. 2, 1, and rest for 5 seconds. Shake it off. Don't forget to smile. And let's go! 10, 9. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest again. Shake it off. Smile. And let's go on the toes. Go! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest again. Practice makes progress. And let's go again on the toes. Now. 9, 8. If you lose your balance, just get up again. Don't overthink. Practice. 2, 1. And rest again. 5 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Push it. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch the legs now on the left. Let's go on the toes. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Push it. 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest again. Second time with the left. Let's go. 10, 9. If you lose your balance, just get up again on the toes. 3, 2, 1, and rest again. Remember, you can use a chair or a wall for help. Go! 9, 8, 7, push it. Feel the muscles. You're doing great. 2, 1, and rest again. Ready for one more? Let's go! Don't forget to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest again. If you feel the muscles, that's a good sign. Let's go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Feel the muscles. You're getting better. 2, 1, and rest again. Last time with the left for 10 seconds. Let's go. You can try using your leg to keep your balance. Concentrate. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. And now switching the legs, going for 30 seconds on the right. Are you ready? On the toes again, going up. 30, 29, 28, 27. You can imagine yourself spinning. This is what you're practicing. Practicing stability, which improves your spins. Push it. Feel the muscles. And remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. So don't worry if you lose your balance. Just get up again and continue. 2, 1, and rest again. Don't forget to smile. Yeah. And now, again, 30 seconds on the right. Let's go. This is a challenging exercise, so be patient with yourself. You can also lower your heel, but make sure you keep it off the ground. 50 more seconds. If you lose your balance, just get up again and continue. Remember, you can use a chair or a wall for help. 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch your legs. Now with the left. 30 seconds. Go on the toes. Yes, you're doing great. 25 seconds to go. Try to breathe and relax. Focus on the muscles in your feet. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and helping Marcus Bodycoding reach 10,000 subscribers. You can do it in 4, 3, 2, 1. Subscribe! Yeah, you can do it. I believe in you. And now let's move on. 30 seconds with the left. Go! Try to relax and breathe. Have patience with yourself. It's not how we fall, it is how we get back up again. So if you lose your balance, just get back up again. And remember, you're practicing. You are getting better. 10 more seconds. Push it. Feel the muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. And now let's challenge ourselves with 60 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. Give it a try. Go. Yes, 60 seconds. Try to relax. Breathe. Have patience with yourself. And remember that you can use a chair or a wall to help you balance. This is not a competition. This is you practicing and getting better. Focus on the muscles in your legs. And if they are sore, it means that you are getting stronger. You are strengthening the muscles responsible for your stability. Improving your stability. Improving your spins. You can imagine yourself spinning. 10 seconds to go. Push it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes, switch the leg. Now with the left, let's go. 60 seconds again. The biggest challenge of this tutorial. Yeah. Push it. Don't forget to breathe. Focus on your muscles. And have patience with yourself. Remember, you are practicing. You are getting better. Practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. So if you lose your balance, just get back up again and continue practicing, getting better. 15 seconds, push it. This is the end of this tutorial. 10 seconds. You can do it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing work. Thank you for joining me. And don't miss the master tip at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Make it a game. Record your personal best. How many seconds can you stay on your toes without losing your balance?